So yesterday before the rain, we went and seeded grass seed into this waterway, and today we're going to put straw on it. Last night we got a good shower to soak the dirt up and get the seed started. So to prevent erosion, we were having trouble with erosion. We made a little chute here so that the water doesn't wash out the dirt. So we're here sprinkling straw over what we seeded now, so that it gives it the seed a protection. I got tired of spreading it out, so I decided to just use an easier method.